See here, triangle ABC. We know that here ABC is a triangle, but we don't know is it equilateral or other. But we should prove that equilateral means we can prove that chord A is equal to chord B equal to chord C. Okay, this we can prove that. And what is the value of these equilateral means we get the value of cot A equal to 60 degrees angle, cot 60 degrees angle. Cot 60 degrees angle value is, what is the value of cot 60 degrees? Tell me, what is the value of cot 60 degrees? 1 by root 3 cos by sine. Cos is 1 by 2
ఆంటీ చెప్పండి.
root 3 by 2. Cot A, B, C angles. If all are equal, then it should be equilateral triangle. That is nothing but A equal to B equal to C equal to 60 degrees. So we can show that cot A equal to cot B equal to cot C equal to cot 60 degrees value. What is the 60 degrees value? 1 by root 3 is the 60 degrees value in cot. So we keep in our mind it is a prove that the equilateral triangle means we can show that cot A equal to cot B equal to cot C equal to 1 by root 3. Then only angle A equal to B equal to C equal to pi by 3. So that becomes the equilateral triangle. That idea we get. When we get the idea, then we can think over. First, we can take the difference of any two terms. That is, we can take cot A minus cot B. Not only these two, the sum of all, if cot B minus cot C, again cot C minus cot A. If sum of these terms is equal to something, then we can easy to taking the cot B is taking to right side, then we will get. Okay. How we are getting cot A equal to cot B? We can solve the summation of cot A minus cot B either whole square or simply this is equal to 0. Then we can take the cot A minus cot B equal to 0. From this we can write it as cot A equal to cot B. This is an idea. For that idea, just we can take the cot A minus cot B. But we cannot get cot B minus cot B is equal to 0. Suppose we can taking the square on square of the difference of two terms and summation and expand this summation of A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus
cot A,
2AB,
cot B.
cot A, cot B. This is for summation only. If you have any idea of any relation of the cot, from previous problems, we know that summation of cot A, cot B is equal to 1. If we use that in this relation, if we get any 0 value or not, that is the thing. Okay. Here we know that cot square A plus cot square B minus 2 cot A cot B. Expansion of summation. Okay.
Okay.
This we have. That is nothing but cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A is the 1. We have this relation from the previous problem. And the expansion of summation of cot square A plus cot square B minus 2 cot A cot B means that is sum of cot A minus cot B whole square is equal to cot square A plus cot square B minus 2 cot A cot B plus cot square B plus cot square C minus 2 cot B cot C plus cot square C plus cot square A minus 2 cot C cot A. Then all square terms are double. So 2 into cot square A plus cot square B plus cot square C. Okay.
Okay.
Next, remaining all terms taking minus 2
My,
common. 2 of cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A.
okay.
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 From the previous problem, it will be 1. That is, it is minus 2 into 1. Why? Because summation of since
Equation ఉంటుంది.
S cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A value is equal to 1 from the problem, from the previous problem. Next, we A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus
Plus
2AB plus
plus
2BC
2BC
plus
plus
2CA.
C 2BCA.
2CA. We have A square plus B square plus C square terms here. We can write it as A square plus B square plus C square is equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus of 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Why we can take this relation? So many students are getting that out. Just you can read out the question. You know the value of cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to root 3. And from the problem, summation of cot A cot B is equal to 1. That is nothing but this relation. So here A is nothing but cot A, B is nothing but cot B, C is nothing but cot C. Then we can apply in this relation, it can be 2 into cot A plus cot B plus cot C whole square minus 2 of cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A minus this is equal to 1. Then here you can write 2 into this is the value of root 3 square minus 2 into 1. Here minus 2. It is equal to 2 into root and square get cancelled. 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, summation of cot A minus cot B whole square equal to 0 means from this cot A minus cot B value also 0. When we are getting square 0 means if x square equal to 0 means x equal to 0, then x square equal to 0. If summation of x square means x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0 means the all terms should be 0, then only 0. So here we are taking if the value of summation of cot A minus cot B whole square equal to 0 means from this we can write cot A minus cot B equal to 0. From this cot A equal to cot B. Similarly, this is nothing but cot A minus cot B whole square plus cot B minus cot C whole square plus cot C minus cot A whole square equal to 0. When it should be 0, the all terms are should be 0, then we are getting 0. So from this, we are getting cot B equal to cot C. From the last term, we are getting cot C equal to cot A. Therefore, cot A equal to cot B equal to cot C. Okay.
Okay, aunty.
Okay. This is equal to what? What is the value? What is the value? Do you know? Is it 1 by root 3 or root 3 or what? Here, cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to root 3. Okay. If all are equal, if all are equal, if these all are equal, means cot A plus cot A plus cot A equal to root 3. Why? Because cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to root 3. In the place of cot B equal to cot C equal to, we can taking as cot A. Then 3 cot A is equal to root 3. From this, cot A equal to root 3 by 3. Sorry,
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. This 1 by root 3 is nothing but cot 60 degrees. From this, A equal to 5 by 3, 60 degrees means. So, here cot A equal to cot B equal to cot C means A equal to B equal to C equal to pi by 3, that is nothing but 60 degrees. Therefore, triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. This is the answer.